How to add notes on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Instagram application. Then open it. Notes are short and temporary ways that you can use to share a thought. It will last for 24 hours. In notes, you can also add musics as well. So in order to add note, simply go to the chat section and here you will find on your top corner that is your note. Simply select on this blank what's on your mind. You can either ask a question, write a prompt, or you can also click a short video or a photo and post it there, or you can also add music, or simply you can just add some text and then share it like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.